What up, fam squad? I'm here to talk about the Open Innovation project Nowvolution. During Open Innovation, I formed a group with 3 other people based on the fact that we were all interested in machine learning. It's Antonio, Bas, Robert and me, Simon. We want to create a machine learning algorithm for the Now robot, with which the Now will learn to walk by itself based on evolution. Here's a class diagram of the structure we're using to generate, remember and adjust the Now's movement. The move class is used to create a single movement of a single motor. The Now has 27 motors we can use, but we only need 22. The 5 that we're not using are the 3 head motors and the 2 hands. To create a full body motion, we combine up to 22 objects of the move class into a move set object. Then we put a set number of moveset objects into a cycle object. We tell the robot to execute the cycle, which usually results in. Then, after one generation, or 25 cycles, has been completed, we reflect on the results and start picking the next generation. After one complete generation, we pick 5 cycles from that generation and take them to the next one. The better the cycles performed, the higher the chance they will get picked for evolution. This diagram will illustrate how the selection process works. On the diagram, the 25 cycles are sorted from best to worst, with 1 being the worst and 25 being the best. The top 5 cycles have a 50% chance of getting chosen, the next 5 have a 25% chance of getting chosen, and so forth. This way there's always room for a less successful cycle to show its potential. After we have selected the cycles we would like to keep, we make copies of them. Then we adjust those copies by making the movements a little different. We do this because if you keep the originals, you can check afterwards if the changes you made were good or bad. If they were bad, we still have the original to play around with. If they were good, we can get rid of the original because we have a better version now. Apart from taking cycles from the last generation, we also generate 15 new cycles, so there's always a chance for a new, fresh way of moving to show itself. Currently, we are using the Python SDK provided by Aldebaran, the creators of the Now, to program a physical Now. After a few tests of the code, we realized that it might be better not to keep letting this robot crash to the ground. Our solution is to simulate the evolution process in a digital environment called Webbox. This way we can test our code and let the Now evolve without damaging a physical Now. And after the simulation has been fruitful and has given us a cycle in which the Now doesn't fall, we can simply upload that cycle to a physical Now to demonstrate it working in the real world. I hope this video was clear and that you now have an understanding of what we are doing during our project. Peace out and keep it lit, Fam Squad Dab 2K17.